Jerusalem, the Jewish people returned to their temple after years of war. They were to find that their temple was destroyed. They had a menorah, but no oil to light it. Finally, they found a small amount of oil that they thought was only going to light for one night. One night became two, two became three. Each morning they awoke to find the flame alive, steady and golden. By the eighth night, the temple was filled with laughter, music, and the scent of fresh bread. The people knew that they had witnessed a miracle, not just of oil, but of hope. That is why we celebrate the 8 nights of Hanukkah. I hope everyone enjoys their holidays. Thank you. Now for our next song, Celebrate the Feast of Lights.